Hey, welcome back to Lehitro Bank. My name is Adam. Today I want to talk about something that a lot of people are confused about, and honestly a lot of creators are lying about. The truth about YouTube Shorts income in 2026. Especially if you want to earn without filming yourself. This video is going to save you time, frustration, and false expectations. Let me say this clearly from the start. YouTube Shorts can make you money in 2026, but not in the way most viral clips and screenshots online make it look. The real money comes from understanding how Shorts actually work and using them as a system instead of a lottery ticket. Most people think Shorts income only comes from the Shorts fund or ad revenue. That is only a small piece of the puzzle. Yes, YouTube does share ad revenue on Shorts now. But for most creators, the payouts from ads alone are small unless you are consistently getting millions of views. That is the truth nobody likes to say out loud. So if ad revenue is not the main income source, then where does the money actually come from? The real power of YouTube Shorts is traffic. Shorts are one of the fastest ways to reach new people on YouTube right now. YouTube aggressively pushes Shorts because they want to compete with other short-form platforms. That means even brand new channels can get exposure. And exposure is what turns into income when you use it correctly. Now let me explain how people earn without filming themselves. Faceless Shorts channels are exploding. These channels use screen recordings, voiceovers, captions, stock clips, animations, or AI-generated visuals. You do not need to show your face to build trust if your content is useful, clear, and consistent. The smartest creators use Shorts as the top of the funnel. Shorts grab attention. Long-form videos, email lists, affiliate links, and digital products make the money. Shorts are the entry point, not the final product. For example, someone watches a short that teaches a quick tip about AI tools, money, finance, or productivity. At the end, there is a simple call to action to check the description or watch a longer video. That longer video builds trust and recommends something useful. That is where income happens. Affiliate marketing works extremely well with Shorts in 2026. AI tools, software subscriptions, finance apps, and online services all pay commissions. You do not need to sell aggressively. You explain a problem, show a solution, and link it. That is it. Another income path is driving Shorts traffic to your own products. Digital guides, templates, courses, or services. Shorts warm up the audience quickly. People who discover you through Shorts already feel like they know you even if they never saw your face. Automation also plays a big role. Many creators batch create Shorts using AI assistants. Scripts, captions, hooks, and even visuals can be generated or assisted by AI. This lowers the barrier to entry, which is why Shorts monetization is in such high demand right now. But here is a mistake most beginners make. They chase viral views instead of building a system. A viral short with no strategy rarely pays. A consistent Shorts system with clear direction pays over time. Another hard truth. Shorts income is uneven. Some days nothing. Some days spikes. This is why relying only on ad revenue is risky. Diversifying income streams is what makes Shorts sustainable. Now let me talk about timelines because this is important. Shorts are fast for reach but slow for money if you do not guide viewers somewhere. Most people quit too early because they expect instant payouts. The creators who win treat Shorts like free distribution, not a paycheck. In 2026, the opportunity is bigger than ever because competition is still lower than long-form YouTube and attention spans are shorter. If you can teach something useful quickly, you win. If you are starting today, focus on one niche. AI, money, finance, productivity, or tools. Keep it simple. Solve one problem repeatedly. Consistency beats creativity when it comes to income. Let me be honest with you. YouTube Shorts are not a get-rich-quick method, but they are one of the fastest ways to get attention without money, without showing your face, and without complicated setups. When combined with the right monetization, they become powerful. If you want, I can make the next video showing exactly how to build a faceless YouTube Shorts channel step by step using AI tools. Or I can break down real income examples and explain which monetization methods work best for small channels. Tell me in the comments what you want next, and I will make that video for you. If this video helped you understand the real truth about YouTube Shorts income in 2026, subscribe to the channel. I post practical, honest videos about making money online using AI and platforms that actually work. Like the video so more people see it, and comment below if you want to build a faceless shorts channel. I will see you in the next one.